Presenting the OnePlus 65 inches U series 4K LED Spot Android TV. TV in the color black. The TV comes in three size variants of 50 inches, 55 inches and 65 inches with a 4K Ultra HD resolution of 3840 into 2160 pixels and 60 Hz of refresh rate. This TV LED produces stunning and highly detailed pictures and gives a lifelike viewing experience. This OnePlus TV sports a bezel-less design and has 95.7% screen to body ratio that eliminates all sorts of distractions. The TV is HDR10 and HDR10 Plus certified and comes with a lot of video enhancing features like Gamma Engine, HLG and MEMC. The TV has a maximum operating distance of 9 feet. The OnePlus TV runs on Android OS and comes equipped with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. It also brings a number of smart features like hands-free, voice control with Speak Now, Google Assistant support, OnePlus Connect, 2.0 Oxygen, Data Saver Plus, Kids mode and Game mode. The TV has Wi-Fi Bluetooth version 5.0 and Ethernet connectivity and comes with the 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. This OnePlus TV comes equipped with a powerful 30-watt speaker setup co-tuned with Dynaudio and Dolby audio. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery for your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery for EMI options and replacement policy. And further information, visit the product detail page.